Hello friends, these are the two previous IIT JEE questions based on the concept of parabola. So today we will discuss a trick. Using that trick, you can solve this question in less than 30 seconds or you can directly write the answer in one line. Okay, so before solving this question, let's understand the trick. Let's consider a standard parabola, that is y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. Well and fine. And the vertex of this is origin 0 comma 0, and let p be a point lying on this parabola. Now if we join this OP and let r be a point which divides it in the ratio of 1 is to lambda. Well and fine. Now the locus of r is being asked. Locus of r is being asked. So the trick is whatever the parabola equation given. Now for this case we are considering the parabola equation as y square is equal to 4x. Just write that parabola equation, y square is equal to 4ax, and the ratio given is 1 is to lambda. So divide this linear side with 1 plus lambda. That's it. The only condition which we have to check is that one point is this vertex, another point P lies on the parabola. That's it. You can use this trick on any other parabola. So let's say if I take the case of x square is equal to 4by. Here also you can use this trick and you will get the answer as x square is equal to 4by divided by 1 plus lambda. That's it. Now we will come to these two questions. First question says that let x comma y be any point on the parabola y square is equal to 4x, and p be the point that divides the line segment 0 comma 0 to x comma y in the ratio 1 is to 3. Then the locus of p is. So same thing is asking, and the parabola equation given is y square is equal to 4x. So write the parabola equation y square is equal to 4x, and the ratio given is 1 is to 3, so divide by 1 plus 3. So this is equal to x. So we are getting y square is equal to x, and this is the right answer for this question. Well and fine. Now same way try this question. If you try this question here, what is saying that let O be the vertex and Q be any point on the parabola x square is equal to 8y. So here parabola equation given is x square is equal to 8y, and the ratio given here also is 1 is to 3. So divide by 1 plus 3. So what we are getting is x square is equal to 2y. This is the correct answer of this question. You can cross check the answer with the year this 2015 and 2011. Hope you got the concept.